Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Ripple Street and you're wondering, can you make money from testing products from home, right? So let's review Ripple Street to find out whether this is a good opportunity for you from home to make money, or maybe it might be a waste of your time, or maybe there are better ways for you to generate income through the power of technology, all right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, 100% from home, you just need your computer and the internet. Go ahead and click the link below. I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email if you would like to check it out. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online, make money from home, using technology, all sorts of different business models, and let's take a look at Ripple Street to see whether this is good, whether it's worth your time, and what do you really need to do to get rewards from them, all right? Now, Ripple Street is a testing product website. It's only available in the US and Canada, so if you don't live in the US or Canada, unfortunately, you can't use Ripple Street. But if you're based in the US and Canada, then this is a pretty cool way to get some free product, but it's not really good for rewards, okay? So let's talk about that a little bit. Now, there are a lot of product testing websites where you can actually test products. You know, for example, they'll send you, some Babe products or Conair products or Milk and Bone products, and you would test it, give them a review, take pictures, upload it onto the website or your app, and then they would send you some money for doing the product testing. But Ripple Street, unfortunately, doesn't actually pay you any money for testing their products, okay? That doesn't mean it's bad. You just have to understand what is the big difference between some other testing websites, and I'll give you a few, at the end of this video, so stick around, that actually pay you, and these guys, they just give you the product for free, okay? So I need to make that very clear. Ripple Street does not pay you any money, any cash for testing their products. What they do instead is they allow you to become a product tester, and they just give you the products for free. That's kind of how it works, okay? So once you sign up as a product tester, so you just click here, get started, what would happen is you would fill out all your details, and then you would go through a whole list of events, okay? So if you click on events right here, they will basically show you a whole bunch of different, well, they call it events, but they're basically products that you can test, right? So what you would do is you would basically apply for as many events as you can, okay? So Jerky House Party, the Bloody Marys right here, and then the pizzas here from Rouse, maybe the Milkademia Chatterbox Milk from Milkademia, Cheetos, right? And so you would apply for as many events as possible. Royal Canine if you have a cat, right? Or cats. And you don't win every single event that you apply for, but you will win some, okay, based on your answers and a bit of luck as well. And then once you've done that, they will actually send a bunch of the products to your house, and they will have specific requirements for you to complete. If you complete them in the right way, that means take pictures. Maybe they'll ask you to have a party. Some of them will ask you for reviews and things like that. You have to write them up, take photographs, things like that. And the more that you do successfully, the more access to events that you get. That's how this works, okay? So if you don't do something properly, then they won't allow you to join another event in the future. That's kind of how Ripple Street works. So the better of a tester that you become, the more reviews you do successfully, the more pictures you take, the more that you upload, the better of a reviewer you become, and they allow you to join more events successfully, and they will send you more free products. And that's basically it. So if you want to get access to a lot of free products, and they have a lot, to be honest, right, which is pretty cool, then this is what Ripple Street can do for you, but they won't pay you physical money to actually do the testing. So that's very, very important to understand, okay? Now, what kind of products can you test? Well, with Ripple Street, they focus a lot on perishable products. So they focus a lot on food, on snacks, on beverages, on pet food. This is kind of their specialty, right? So I would say 90% of the products that you test will be food, pet food, and beverages and snacks. All right. They do have electronics sometimes, but for the most part, they don't really. That's very, very rare. So I would say mainly, stuff that you can eat and you can feed to your pets, your cats and dogs, right? That's basically what you're going to be testing here. So it's pretty cool, all right. But just understand that you're not going to make any money from this. This is more just getting free products, reviewing them, sharing them with your friends, that kind of thing, and that's pretty much it. All right, so if you want to get access to free products and become a tester that way, give reviews, get free food, free drinks, but you're not making any money, then Ripple Street is something that you can check out. It's also available on your Android or your iPhone, so you can download it from the appropriate Play stores. Okay, so you can check them out if you want, ripplestreet.com. But if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to actually make money, right? So Ripple Street, the reward you get is food and drink, free food and drink, but you're not really making money. But maybe you're here to make money, right? You understand that we live in the new economy. We live in the online world right now. The internet's very powerful. How can you make money using the internet and technology? Well, there are a lot of different ways, right? Some of them are really good, which I've reviewed, hundreds of them. You can check out my channel. And some of them are very bad, right? In fact, there are a lot of really bad ways and a waste of your time, to be honest, to make money. A lot of opportunities will only pay you $1 or $2 per day, right? So that's very little money. What you want to be doing is generating hundreds of dollars every day instead of $1 or $2, right? So if you would like to find out my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, 100% from home, you just need your computer and the internet. Click on the link below and I'll send you that strategy for free. You can check it out if you want, straight in your email. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Ripple Street, and I hope to see you on another review. Take care.